Hello everyone. So today I want to show you an amazing AI website which was recently launched by Google. So this is launched by Google AI Labs and the name of this website is Stitch. And over here you can create amazing UI concepts, designs for your app or a website. I'm covering a video on this because it is really state of the art UI design website. You can call it kind of like a vibe design AI website or something like that. So let's move forward and write a prompt to create an app UI design. So I'll enter my prompt over here. The prompt will be about making an UI design for a food delivery app called as Speed Eats, and various different functions should be present on the UI app, such as home screen with search bar, category filters, restaurant cards, etc. The color scheme should be warm red and white. Now let's click on enter over here and let's see what magic Stitch does for us. Look how amazing and aesthetically pleasing this website is. Like, to be honest with you, this is like an ultimate hack for UI and UX designers. And one more thing is that you can export all these UI elements to Figma. Like, Figma is the main tool majorly used by UI and UX designers, and then you can just export all your designs from here to Figma in few seconds. Look at this, how good this is. The design is so amazing. Here is the color scheme too, which has been used to create the first screen. You can see some example prompts over here, which you can use to upgrade your designs too. So for example, let's click on this one to create the cart and checkout flow. So it has created, so this is your cart. Once you add your items in here, this is how the cart will look like, the screen. Then this design is for checkout, and how amazing it is and how aesthetically pleasing this looks like. This is really amazing. So this is how you can use Stitch. So just give a simple prompt with like around 3 or 4 sentences of what you want to make, and Stitch will do every single thing for you, from designing the first page to everything you want for your app. And then you can just export it in whichever form you want it to be, and you can also share it to other people if you want to. And then there are some tools over here where you can use and edit some things. Now let's go back and let's create a website design. As this was an app design, let's see how website design works. Let's go back. Now I will write a prompt for a website design. So to do a website design, you have to change this from app to web. So it designs the desktop website. And then if you want to, you can change the Gemini 3.0 Flash model to a pro model if you want better results with quality and reasoning. I'll just skip I'll just keep it as 3 Flash because I just want to show you how it works. Now let's check out web design. So let's create an e-commerce product page for a premium sneaker brand. So the left side should include large product image gallery, and on the right side it should be product name, price, and etc. A lot of things. Oh yeah. The color scheme should be minimalistic black and white. Let's see how it does. So this is how it looks like, and it does look amazing. Wow. So this is the design scheme or the color scheme for the website, and here's the website for us to see. This looks really amazing. And once again, you can export this on whichever you want, maybe Figma or anything you want it to be in. And yeah, this is how Stitch works. It is really fast, and you can use this on day-to-day purposes if you are a UI UX designer, if you are in a startup company trying to create a new website design or anything. You can use this completely for free. There is no pricing for this. You can use this unlimited times for free, and I feel like this is like a groundbreaking design AI website, and it looks very beautiful and it does the work too. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. You can also go to your projects over here, check what you have done over here. You can also check out the examples given by the website too, by Google itself, and maybe try to create something new from it. So yeah, that is everything from my side. I've covered everything on this website. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot too. Thanks for watching.